Good morning, everyone. Here's the continuation of my report. So, there are types of curriculum designs. The first one is subject centered designs, second one is learner centered designs, and the last one is problem centered designs. Subject centered designs, this is most popular and widely used. Its knowledge and content are well accepted. The first classification under this is the subject design. The curriculum is organized according to how essential a knowledge has developed in various subject areas. Sinasabi dyan na yung mga subjects, yan daw yung may pinaka-best outline sa mga textbooks kasi yung teacher usually siya yung nagra-run ng class, especially when discussing the lesson. So, knowledge ideas are best communicated in verbal form. So, dito din pumapasok yung needs ng mga students para sa course na tinitake nila, which means they are learning by acquiring the lesson. The next classification is discipline design. The curriculum is focuses in disciplines which refers to specific knowledge learned through a method which the scholars use to study a specific content of their field. Ibig sabihin, meron silang specific content na kailangan malaman. Ito more of about discipline. The third classification is the broad field. The design was made to prevent the compartmentalization of subjects and integrate the contents that are related to each other. Dito sa part na to, ini-integrate nila yung mga contents na related sa isa't isa. Ibig sabihin, mas comprehensive siya or mas malawak pero halos katulad lang nung sa subject. Example nito usually is under ng social studies like anthropology, sociology, geography, yun, yung mga broad topics talaga. Another classification is correlation. Comes from core that links separate subjects in order to reduce fragmentation. Subjects are related to one another, but each subject maintains its identity. Yung mga curricular designers, naghahanap sila ng ways kung paano magagamit ng maayos yung time ng makabuluhan nga. It is teaching a subject with another discipline. Kunwari sa literature, meron siyang history. So, pag-aaralan muna yon bago mag-proceed sa mismong literature. It means, nare-retain yung pagkakakilanlan ng subject na yon, like, nagiging connected sila sa isa't isa. The last classification under subject-centered design is the process. Its procedures allow students to analyze the reality and construct frameworks different from the way the world appears to casual viewer, na kung saan tinutulungan ng mga educators yung mga students to think and kung paano nila i-apply yung learning nila sa iba't ibang bagay. Kaya dito, usually, namomotivate yung mga students kasi namomonitor nila yung progress nila kung malapit na ba nilang ma-meet yung vision nila or yung sinet nilang goals. Next is the learner-centered designs. The first classification under this is the child-centered. The design should be centered on students' lives, needs, and interest. Kumbaga, dapat motivated yung mga students para makuha yung interest nila. Usually, yung personal experience ng learner, ginagamit niya yan sa school para maging successful yung learning goal niya. Next is yung experience-centered. The design believes that the interest and needs of the learners cannot be pre-planned or pre-designed. Ito yung nakafocus sila sa isang interest and creativity. Kaya kailangan yung environment ng mga students is maganda. Nang sa ganon, maging inspired sila para matuto. The next classification is the romantic or radical. The design considers that students must learn ways of involvement in an analysis of knowledge. So sinasabi dito na may mga schools na mas nangingibabaw yung pag-control kesa sa pag-educate sa mga learners. The last classification is the humanistic, which is the development of the last classification under learner-centered design is the humanistic. Dito yung ipapasok yung emotion ng mga students and magagamit nila yung imagination nila kung paano nila mata-turn into reality yung mga naiisip nila. Last is the problem-centered designs. The first classification under this is the life situation. The content is organized in ways that allow students to clearly view problems. Like kung ano ba yung environment ng students mo. Like yung way of living niya. Nakafocus kasi to usually sa problem solving. Kaya naman yung past and present experiences nila is kasali dito. Next is yung reconstructionist. The curriculum promotes social action. They aim to reconstructing society which encourage social, political, and economic development. Yung mga students, hindi nila inuubos yung time nila sa loob ng classroom. Kasi, nag-e-explore sila. Kasi, nagiging curious sila or nagiging curious yung mga students kapag nakikihalubilo sila sa madaming tao. Kaya naman, madami din yung nade-develop.